Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 3 asterisk x plus 2. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to find the solutions for this equation. Make sure to follow along closely and grab a pen and paper to jot down some notes. Let's get started. Step 1 to solving the problem x squared plus 3x plus 2 is to factor the quadratic expression. To do this, we need to look for two numbers that add up to 3 and multiply to 2. These two numbers are 1 and 2. So, we rewrite the middle term, 3x, as 1x plus 2x. This allows us to alter the expression x squared plus 3x plus 2 into x squared plus 1x. Plus 2x plus 2. Step 2 is to group the terms into pairs and factor by grouping. We take the altered expression x squared plus 1x plus 2x plus 2 and group it as x squared plus 1x plus 2x plus 2. Next, factor out the greatest common factor from each pair. For the first pair, x squared plus 1x, we factor out x, which gives us x times x plus 1. For the second pair, 2x plus 2, we factor out 2, which gives us 2 times x plus 1. This leads to x times x plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 1. Notice that both groups share a common factor of x plus 1. We factor out this common factor, resulting in the expression x plus 1 times x plus 2. This is the final step and the quadratic expression is now factored. Hence, the simplified factored form of x squared plus 3x plus 2 is x plus 1 times x plus 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.